Problem is to write a Python program to get the class name of an instance. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to obtain the class name of an instance. Guys, talking about instance over here is what is an instance in our OOP programming. When we write any function inside the OOP programming, that function is known as the instance. Like if we have created a class and in the class we want to define function, that function is called as instance. What do we need to do is we need to get the class name of that instance. How to obtain it? In our Python we have two methods by which we can obtain it. Our first method is by using the class and the name attributes, and our second method is by using the type and the name attribute. So let's have a look on both of them one by one, starting with the first method. So our first method says solution 1 using class and the name attributes. How we will be using it? First of all, we need to create a class. So I'll be creating a class called as smartphone. I'll put a colon and write def. That means we are defining an instance over here, or you can call it a function in our normal Python's language, but in OOP programming it is called as instance. So here I'll be calling name, and I'll be passing the self parameter and the name inside it, and I'll return the value of name. Okay, this is just an instance. Just I'm taking an example over here. We don't have to do with anything with this. But what I need to do is I need to definitely create a class and an instance so that we can find the name of the class of this instance. Okay, so to get the name of this class, we need to first create an object. For creating an object, I'll be creating S1. S1 is equals to smartphone. Open close the parentheses. This will tell us that this is an object 1 which belongs to the class of smartphone. Now what do we need to do? We need to get its class name. To obtain the class name, we will be writing a simple line that print S1, that is the name of our object, dot class dot name. Let's run and see what output we will get once we have done this. So as soon as we run it, we are getting the output smartphone, which is the name of this class. So this is how you can obtain the name of the class by using the instance. Talking about our solution number 2, that is by using the type function and our name attribute. Let's see how it can be done. For our second method, I will be again creating a class called as smartphone. Put a colon. Create an instance again. So name, and I'll be passing the self parameter plus the name inside it, and we'll return the name here. Okay, once we're done with this, let's create an object that S1 is equals to smartphone. So far, all the steps are similar to our previous code, and we'll be passing the parentheses. Once we're done with this, what we will be doing, we'll be writing print. We are going to find the type. We need to find the type of S1. Okay, let's run and see what output we will get. So we are getting class main smartphone, but I don't want this class and main over here. I just want the name. Okay, to obtain only name, what you can do is you can write dot name. Now let's run and see what output we'll get. As soon as we'll run it, we will only obtain the name. We will not obtain the class and the main thing over there. We will only obtain the name of our class, that is smartphone. So I hope guys that both the methods are clear to you. In both the methods, only we need to do is write the one line statement. Otherwise the methods are completely same. Here we have used the class and the name attributes to get the class name, and in the second method we have used the type function and the name attribute to get the class name. Similarly, in our first function as well, if I only write the class, suppose if I would have only written the class, let's put this inside the comment and let's uncomment this one, and if I run it, it would again give me class main smartphone, but to obtain the name, all you need to do is write name, and if you run it, you will directly get the name. So I hope guys that both the methods are clear to you and you have no doubts in the questions. The link of this code is present in our description, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.